Good morning, students. Today we are going to solve question number 7 of exercise 8.3. Question number 7 says Maria invested rupees 8,000 in a business. She would be paid interest at 5% per annum compounded annually. Maria is one girl who invested rupees 8,000 in one particular business, and for that investment she will get every year, at the end of every year he will get 5% interest, and which will be compounded annually. They have told us find, and then two parts. The first part says the amount credited against her name at the end of the second year. That means the amount, that is A, we have to find out how much will be the amount at the end of the second year in her name in that particular business. And second is the interest for the third year. So let us calculate. Since it is compounded annually, our formula it is A is equal to P into bracket 1 plus R divided by 100 bracket close and T. Now here principal is rupees 8,000, rate of interest is 5%, and time period is 2 years, because they have told us to find out the amount at the end of second year. So let us put these values in formula. A is equal to P is 8,000 into bracket 1 plus R is 5 divided by 100 into bracket T is 2 years. 5 can be cancelled out with 100, so I will cancel 5 1s and 5 20s. Now taking LCM over here, we will write 8,000 as it is, and in the bracket LCM is 20. Here since it is 1 in the denominator, we will multiply 20, so it will get 20 plus 1 and whole bracket square. Therefore amount is equal to 8,000, and here 21 by 20, since it is square, I will multiply 2 times 21 by 20. Now 0 and 0 of this 20 will cancel out with 8,000's 2 zeros. 2 2s is 4, so 4 1s 4 and 4 2s and this 0, that is 20s is 80. So our remaining amount will be, therefore A is equal to 20 into 21 into 21, which when you solve you will get amount is equal to 8,820. When you multiply this 3, you will get 8,820. So I will write at the end of the year, therefore the amount credited against her name at the end of the second year is rupees 8,820. Now second part says what will be the interest. Here we are supposed to find the interest, and for how many year? For the third year we want to find. Now what we will do? We will calculate simple interest on the amount which we have got after the second year, because after second year this amount will directly become principal for the third year. So we will calculate for interest of third year, principal is equal to rupees 8,820, and rate of interest we already have 5% and number of years is 1. Therefore simple interest is equal to principal into rate of interest into time divided by 100. Principal is 8,820 into 5, rate of interest is 5 and time period is 1 year, divided by 100. 0 from 100 and 0 from 882 will give me 882 into 5 into 1. This 10 I will keep as it is, because the answer which will come we will place it as a decimal point. So 882 into 5 and into 1, when you will solve it you will get 4410 whole divided by 10. 0 of 4410 and 0 of denominator will cancel out. So our interest will be rupees 441. So they have told what will be the interest for the third year. So we will write, therefore the interest for third year is rupees 441. Hope you have understood this question. If not, please go through it once more so that you can understand properly. We will meet with next question in new lecture. Till then, take care of yourself. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.